discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.